Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Tutor Things. Today in this video we are going to see switch statement. So yeah, in the previous video we have seen if else statements and shorthand if else, that is the operator. If you haven't watched that video, please go to my channel and the see playlist will be there. There you will find those videos. So yeah, let's get started. Switch statement. So instead of writing many if else statements, we use switch statement. So switch statement is one thing that which help us to select one of many code blocks to be executed. So the expression will be there. So the expression is if we evaluate the expression we'll get some result. So that result, the value of the expression is to be compared with the other cases which we have mentioned in the switch block. So we'll have some cases. So the relevant value of expression which will be come as a result from that expression of switch will be checked with all these cases. Compared with all these cases, if there is a match, then the associated block of code will be executed. So this block of, if there is a match with case x, that block will got executed. So like that all cases will be compared first and then the resultant block of code will be executed. If there is a match, then it will not going to be checked with other cases, that will break that. So if the statement is any statement got executed have a match, that particular block of code be executed and it will break that break that switch block. So this break will happen by using this break keyword. So this statement breaks out the switch block. Breaks the loop. So switch block is there here, that loop that will be break, and it will stop the execution. So this switch block got executed. So if there is a match, then it will break the switch block. So at final we will have some default block of code. If there is a no match with any of these cases, then the particular set of code which is mentioned in default block will got executed. So this is optional. If you want to like execute any set of code, that should be print if any case is not satisfied, then we have this default block in the switch block, as this is an optional. So okay, you understood, right? This is the syntax, which is the keyword. Then you have to give that expression as a normal connection, which how we will give with the if statements likewise. And this switch log will be opened with curly braces, and the case is a keyword, and the value of expression we have to mention, and then colon. So in C, everything is important, right? Colons and semicolons, everything. We have to mention the space is also is important. Case space x, the value of expression, then colon, block of code, and then finally we have to write break is important. In every case, we have to mention break, as if there is a match, then particular block of code will got executed, and that will break the switch block. Okay. So this is how it works. You understood, right? If you have any doubts, let me know in the comments. We'll clear your doubts. Okay. This is the one of the example program we have. Let's check it out so that you will understand switch statement better. So we'll have hash include stdio.h, which is an including standard input output library file, and then we'll have a main function. So here in this we have an int variable, that is day is equal to 4, semicolon should be there for every statement in C. So otherwise it will throw an error. Then switch will be there. Here but the value of expression, like expression which we have is a day is a normal variable. We are not doing any kind of operation here. We are directly giving the variable, and then we are having a switch case. The case, the value of variable is int, right? So the value of expression will be in int. So that will be int, any cases which we have written we can write. So case 1 Monday, if it's a 1, and the break statement should be there in every case, and break. In the case 2, Tuesday, case 3 will be Wednesday, break, and then 4, case 4, Thursday, break, and then case 5, Friday, and break, and then case 6, Thursday, Saturday, and then break, case 7, printf Sunday. Here you can see default block we are not writing here, as it's a optional. So other case we have to write. So days are this many, and you are checking every case, then the no need of having a default block. Okay. So yeah, this is finally we are closing the switch block. So this, see the day which you have given 4 here, so it will evaluate the expression, that is 4. We are checking the case values which is matching. Okay, 1 is not matching, 2 is not matching, 3 is not matching, and case 4 is matching. So Thursday will be got printed as it is mentioned in printf. So and then it will break. So break is there, so it will not going to check other cases. As we are getting a match, it will finally break the switch block. So now I am changing the value of this day will be 7, and then I am running. So let me know in the comments like what will be come as output, that is Sunday. Yeah, if you're not giving the value that is not present in the switch cases, that is day 8, we are giving, let's see output what we'll get. So it is not expected, you are not expecting the day will be like, because no day will be an 8. So it is not giving any results, it's just giving an empty value. So it is, there is no not printing anything if you are given 8. So if you want anything by default, then we can have this default block. As I said, default, sorry, we should use normal case. Default will be there and then colon. So whatever you want to print in that, we can give that. So we can tell like invalid input like that. Okay, semicolon should be there. Invalid output, as we have given 8. So let's see the result, the how the default block will help us to print the things. Here you can see invalid input is coming. Otherwise, if you are not giving any default block, if you are given 8, no result is printing. So that will having confusion like why nothing results is coming. If you are going for many more logical or more coding lines or big programs, then it will create you an confusion if you are not getting any results. So using default block is recommended, as it is optional, you can use for better purpose, better understanding. So yeah, the next break keyword, to understand the break keyword much is very important, as it breaks out the switch block. So it will stop the execution of no more case, and case testing is not happen inside the block, as there is a one match is found and the job is done. So it's no need or no point or no logic to check another match. So it's a time for a break, there is no need of more testing like that. So a break can save a lot of time of execution, because it ignores the execution of all rest of the cases, right? In switch block, it will, if you are getting a match, then there is no point to check all other cases, which is time consuming. So we can break the switch block. So using of break keyword in every case after set of code is very much important. And then we'll have a default keyword, as I said, right? So to having that confusion, so we have only 6 and 7 cases. Here you can see 6 and 7, today is Saturday and Sunday. We have cases 6 7 cases, and we have breaks on those cases. And day I am giving 4, which is not having the cases which I have specified there, then it will give an empty value. So if you have a default clause like looking forward to the weekend, that will help us to understand that day is not having any match in those cases like that. So using default keyword is not optional, but it is mandatory, because it is used as a last statement in the speech. It doesn't need to be a break. It will give you a clear understanding, and then no need of break at the last, right? So it ultimately it will break the switch block, so no need of writing a break statement again there. So next we have exercise, you can go through those exercises so that you will understand the switch statement better. I hope you understand. If you have any comments regarding to switch statement, let me know in the comment section, we'll definitely reply to your comments. And let me know how you have feeling, like this videos is clear to you, or if anything we have to improve it from my side, let me know in the comment section so that I can understand the things better. I'll try to give the outputs in a better way rather than this. So yeah, like this videos, if you like these videos, and give a big thumbs up below, and share this videos to your friends who are learning stage of C and this basic level and concepts. It very helpful if you go through in a clear way with it, practicing examples at that instant itself. So yeah, hope you will be continuing this series by watching next videos. So yeah, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.